In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free virtual USD card from Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on your first setup, and how to view and use your new card safely. First, open your Wise account and head to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Cards. This is your control center for anything related to Wise cards. Click it to open the card management area. Inside the cards area, choose Order a New Card. Wise will give you options for different card types. Select Digital. A digital card is a virtual card you can use online, just like a physical card, but it lives entirely in your account. It's great for quick checkouts and for keeping your real card details off unfamiliar websites. If this is your first time creating a digital card, Wise will prompt you to enter your details, follow the on-screen instructions, and provide the requested information. This step helps Wise confirm your identity and protect your account. Take a moment to review everything for accuracy before submitting. If Wise asks for additional verification, that's normal and is there to keep your card secure. Once your details are entered and confirmed, go back to the Cards section. You'll now see your digital cards listed. Choose the one you just created to open its management page. Here, look for the option called Card Details. Click it to reveal what you need for online purchases, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. Treat these details like you would a physical card. Only enter them on trusted websites and never share them in messages or emails. Your Wise virtual card will automatically use the USD in your account if you have it. That means when you pay in USD, it draws straight from your USD balance, helping you avoid surprises at checkout. If you're planning a purchase in dollars, it's a good idea to check your USD balance beforehand so you know everything's covered. That's all there is to it. You've opened the card section, ordered a new card, chosen digital, entered your details if needed, returned to the cards page, and revealed your card details to start using them online. Keep your card information secure, and you're ready to shop, subscribe, or pay for services with your Wise virtual USD card. If you need to reference your details again later, just come back to the same card details screen. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of your new Wise digital card.